Hi, my name's Brad.
And I'm Lisa, and these are our two daughters.
Audrey, Emma.
And this is our dog, Millie. Okay, focus. Millie, you're licking the crap out of me. Oh yeah, oh, scratch. We left Millie out. Alright, start over.
And our dog, Millie.
She can't handle it. You put a camera out, but she can't handle it. Alright, Emma, hold yourself together. Okay, alright.
I would do better at that job.
Alright.
We are officially a full-time traveling family. We recently sold our home, and we are now travel-bound together.
We're traveling in our 2020 Grand Design Reflection 31MB fifth wheel camper.
Now, we are originally from northern Wisconsin, so we have set out for the southern states in search of warmer weather. So this is a pretty big adventure for us.
And along the way, we hope you'll follow us in our videos. And that's Millie, right there.
And enjoy our travel videos.
Enjoy! Like little fireworks shooting off. Bye.
Bye. Bye.